Hey guys, how are you doing? After the recent iOS 26.2 update, many users have noticed that their Spotlight search feature is not working. Whenever they try to search for anything, the feature to quickly access it as a shortcut by searching it in the settings app, they're seeing blank results or the error message that the storage cannot be found within the settings app. This is definitely a bug. You don't have to worry that there is no problem with your iPhone. It is a software level bug causing the issue with iOS 26.2 version. Apple have released iOS 26.2.1 with minor bug fixes and support to the AirTag second generation that they have released yesterday. So do update to the latest iOS 26.2.1 version immediately. Right now I'm running the iOS 26.3 version, which is the beta version released to developers just to test the features and publish it on our channel. So if you are using the iOS 26.2, don't delay, update to the 26.2.1 and then check whether this bug has been fixed or not. If you're still experiencing the issue that the search is not showing what the app name or the settings that you are trying to search for, then you need to perform a simple restart of your iPhone by pressing the volume down key and the power button for a couple of seconds, and you will see the slide to power off toggle at the top of the screen. So simply slide to power off and give like 10 seconds and then press the side button or the power button for a few seconds. Then the Apple logo will be appearing on your display and the phone will boot up. So this will help you to fix any temporary glitch that you have on the device. A simple restart as a basic troubleshooting step should be helpful to fix the issue, and the search should be working perfectly fine. That seems to be some sort of issue with the indexing. Over the upcoming update, Apple will fix this issue permanently. And if you're looking for a perfect expense tracker to add and manage your expenses, but to unlock more features like to add more subscriptions and loans, EMIs, dues, so give a try with the Spensio app if you want to. I'll leave a link to that in the description in the first pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching. For more, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.